Say bitch ass nigga. Say it. Say it.
You couldn't. How you gonna fucking yell at me and you pissed on me? Thank you.
Sasha, can he come in? Thank you.
Can you leave Moo here so he doesn't get dirty? Okay, thank you.
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Wait. Full blast.
Red, let's go now.
That works, don't it? Stupid ass.
Watch this. Diesel, come get this chicken. I ain't got none.
I'm going to show you how you don't listen to me. Don't do it. Don't you do it. No, Gino, no, Gino, no, Gino, no, Gino, no, Gino, no!